Good morning students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 10th. Today we are doing Unit 4 Web Applications and Security of Part B, second part. Computer Network Architecture means design of the computer network. There are two types of network architecture that is commonly used in computer networks. First is peer-to-peer architecture. In this model, every computer is called a peer, and every computer or every peer has its own responsibility. There is no administrator in this architecture. Second is client-server architecture. As you can see in this picture, the computer are known as clients. These are the computers, but in this architecture, which we say it as a clients. All the clients are connected with this particular server. When we switch on this server, then only you are able to do the work on the clients, or you are able to take the printout from the printer. If server is not switched on, then you are not able to work on the computer. It means server is responsible for giving all the information and resources to the clients. Switching techniques. The method of exchanging information between different computer networks is called switching in network. Switching technique is used in large networks. Basically, there are three types of switching. First is circuit switching. In this, a dedicated channel or a dedicated line is set up for establishing a single connection between the sender and the recipient. Like example is your telephone line. In your telephone communication system, the normal voice call is the example of circuit switching, because in the telephone system we create a dedicated channel from sender and the receiver. Message switching. There is no need to establish a dedicated path between any two communication devices. In message switching, each message is treated as an independent block which is transmitted from first network device to second network device through the internetwork. And the third one is packet switching. In this technique, a message is broken into packet of fixed size. Each packet has a source and the destination address, and uh, and they are of fixed size. Mostly network use packet switching rather than circuit and message switching. Network components. These are the physical devices used in the networking. First is repeater. As the name replies that repeater is a network device that increases the range of transmitted signal by retransmission. Hub. A hub is a network device. This is a hub. Hub is a network device which receives data from one computer and broadcasts it among all the computers connected to it. Switch. Switch is similar to a hub, but it is more intelligent. Why? Because hub just broadcasts the data, but a switch does filter and forwarding the data. Router. A router is a network device which routes the information around the network. It is used to connect one network to another network. This is a router, and this is a hub, and this is a switch. Which router is a network which routes the information around the network. Bridge. As you can see, this is a bridge. Bridge connects and filters data between two LANs. These are the computers, printer connected with the help of LAN, and these are some other devices connected with the LAN, and this is a bridge. What is the use of the bridge? Bridge connects and filters data between the two LANs. And gateway. Gateway acts as a gate between two networks. It connects two different types of networks to share information. For example, when you send an email to a friend or when you log into a website, there is a gateway that allows the connection to take place. Thank you.